We found chickens, guys. We found chickens. It's a bunch of KFCs. Don't run away. Hey, what's up, bro? Abbe. He fears me. This guy fears me. I will chase you down. You are mine. I have named you Timothy.
Yes, I name everyone Timothy. So basically we had to follow whatever the team lead was doing for this activity, and yeah, we ended up doing some pretty funny actions, so enjoy.
Dum dum dum. Dum dum dum. Dee dee dee. Dee dee dee. Dum dum dum. Dum dum dum. Jiggy jiggy jiggy. Jiggy jiggy jiggy. Jiggy jiggy jiggy. Jiggy jiggy jiggy. Bam bam bam. Bam bam bam. Bolaram sam sam. Bolaram sam sam. Bolaram sam sam. Bolaram sam sam. Ram sam sam. Ram sam sam. Gully gully gully. Gully gully gully. Gully gully gully. Gully gully gully. Ole oh.
Ali. Thanks, man. Thanks.
Everyone, hey.
Subscribe.
Okay, so what we are going to do is, everyone after me. Okay. Drum some some. 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 Gully gully gully. Gully gully gully. Gully gully gully. Gully gully gully. Ole oh. Ole oh. Ole oh. Ole oh. Ole 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 oh.
So our team name was the Spartans and our jingle was Chicken Mutton, but eventually everyone started calling us Chicken and Mutton.
एक बार बोलना चाहिए ऐसा लग रहा है
Okay, so basically we've been given 6 clues, and we're starting with the 6th clue, which says that it's a place where you can basically vent out your rage, and we all think that it is the archery place. So hence we are running through that place, and I am so exhausted that I can't run, but hopefully my team is going there. But obviously, and let's go.
Go, find out your clues.
Okay, I'm being forced to run. Let's go. I'm so exhausted, and we are basically interrupting a bunch of old people and their work. Okay, they found the second clue without me. What's the second clue, guys?
Huge and I give my shade and trust me.
Tough yet I produce.
So the first clue guided us to this tree, and then we found the second clue, and now we are going to where you will find out.
Okay, we are on another clue and we're running towards the flag. Let's go. I'm not going to office anymore on Monday, that's for sure.
I ended up not going. Yeah, this clue was a bit weird, but eventually we had to go to the washrooms.
The blanks. I keep you afloat.
Kaya. Afloat. I keep you afloat.
Kaya.
Raft. Life jacket.
Use your legs.
Move on, let's go.
Use your
Last,
legs.
last are fast, but use your legs.
Arey.
Cycle.
But
ये.
नहीं, we don't have that ना yo.
हाँ.
Harley Davidson वाला.
हाँ, that bike.
Hills का है.
It was the bike, but we wasted time.
Chicken mutton! The power of chicken and mutton! Winner, winner, chicken dinner, boy!
Yeah, brother.
Hey yo, what's up guys? We are back with the vlog and I've got some homies with me. We're about to check out the pets from the petting zoo. I don't know where the entrance is. This big door seems like an entrance. There's no door that can lock me. I don't think this is legal, but it's fine. That's what the vlog is for.
Come here, come. Let's do some illegal stuff. Come.
So you heard that guy who wanted to do illegal stuff? Well, future Alistair, he's going to be doing something epic. Just stay tuned for that.
Arey, don't call people man. Arey, nice. They got in. So now, arey, card, nice. Okay, so now we are all screwed. Shout out to Nimbus. They don't sponsor this channel. We can see a lot of donkeys and chickens. We are literally. Yeah, I know. That's it. You just got to take the first step. Look at these guys. They're all following us in now. And now we got a bunch of swans in. Arey, this is sheep. Hi, sheepy. Arey, dude, sage mode. Dude, these sheep have sage mode. Arey, chicken. KFC. Arey, Bojack. Sue, Bojack Horseman. Nay, they're not in the mood. Arey, this one is laying an egg. Let's not disturb her.
Oh, let it be.
It's
a personal moment.
yeah. Arey, we have more hossies. Hi, hossies. Oh, it's a pony. It's not a hossie. Nice. No, man, you don't speak their language. Oh, I like this one. I want to.
Hey, dude. Hey, sexy here.
Better than human poop.
His game doesn't work on girls, neither ponies. You show me. When today? Over here. Sunday. Arey, this one to got pissed only. Like, you show now only. Why Sunday? Arey, wait, what else is here? Oh, there are ostriches. Arey, rabbits. I've always wanted one. Should I steal a rabbit from here? Arey, this duck is having a moment. Duck, arey. Bro, look at his legs. Never skip leg day.
Oh.
This dude's never.
Angry.
He's never skipped leg day.
उसकी बहन के पास गया तो पेल देगा.
Meanwhile, we have a bunch of rabbits here. Arey, look at this rabbit, bro. This rabbit is enjoying the time of his life. Bro, this rabbit got the most OP couch ever. Nice. Oh, we have more duckies. Hi, ducky. What do I call you? Bro, where's leg day? Arey, leg day is there. That dude is called leg day.
Bro, that is a different zone.
Huh? That is a turkey.
That is badass zone. They're like gang.
No, that is a male turkey.
Okay.
Arey, full. I had to explain this to 5 people. No, man, they're like, Abey, Deepam, run away. We are twinning. Arey, shit, twinning. Oh, twinning. They're like, Arey, you have to squat. They are looking at you. They think you're like some Attack on Titan shit. Arey, Attack on Titan. Oh my god.
Get ready for the most epic moment of the vlog.
अरे bro. Damn dude. This is the content I needed.
I'll give you some background music, okay?
Are for sure.
You just take a close up.
Okay.
Just go close up.
Yes.
He's the real John Jack.
This will get you 1 million.
Arey bro, this is going on YouTube. Abey.
You heard him. This needs 1 million views.
Shout out dude, the OG guy. Arey, we can go over there. Arey, there's a bridge to go over there. Chal. Let's go guys. Arey bro, what is this dude? This looks like a dinosaur. Abey.
That's what I.
Bro, this is so dinosaur full on Tyrannosaurus Rex.
He's activating his.
Arey bro, I'm about to dip from here. Look at him bro, he's stepping out. I think he's the alpha. Leg day got nothing on him. Bro, this leg day is so intimidating. He's just staring at us. Abey, he's like ready, zoop. Arey bye. Abey, hey.
Oh,
Bro, he didn't even flinch. This guy's flinching next level. Face off between leg day and Deepam. This is if he attacks Deepam will quit chicken. He'd have away. Bro, he is scaring me. I never thought I'd be intimidated by a chicken.
उसने आँख बंद कर लिया था.
Dude, he's staring at you. Arey bro. Oh, you like the camera attention. I'm staying behind Niranjan. Niranjan, you take the fall for my death. Okay. What else is there? What else is new? Arey bro, this Deepam might die today because of this guy. He'll just kick his head off. Arey, nice.
क्या खाना है खा देख रहे हैं मेरे प्यारे यहाँ पर मेरे
ओहो.
हाथों से खाना खा रहे हैं
Oh, they're like, Arey, should we eat his hand? It doesn't look like our usual food.
इसे कहते हैं fun. It happens only right here in India. अरे अभी मैं
They started eating his hand.
आप देख रहे हैं मेरे को भी नोच रहे हैं
अबे.
खत्म होते ही
I'm just gonna take his content. Bro,
अरे और दो
we stealing another YouTuber's content. That's how we do it here.
Hey guys, look here.
Arey, nice.
Donald Ducks खत्म होते ही निकल गए. Very selfish Donald Ducks. They're very selfish. They only friends when I got my bit full of ball full. Otherwise they go away. आजा तू भी आजा.
What are those dinosaurs? The smaller-
Arey,
the smaller ones.
bro. This is a triceratops. I don't
Those
know.
are big. Those are big ones.
This is when they are born. This is how they look when they are born.
Oh, that sounds cool. That sounds.
Okay, I think this covers the entire animal area. Zoo, the mini zoo. I'll go enjoy with these. And we'll continue the vlog later on. We should go. Okay guys, we're back. We found some friendly horsies. So I don't know her name or his name. So I'm gonna call her Hannah. Hi Hannah, how are you doing? She's like so much attention, can't handle it.
आ जाएगा actually उसके दांत बहुत बड़े होते हैं तो don't.
Hee hee.
Hey dude, just record me man.
Arey. Oh sorry, I dropped someone's bottle.
ना it's fine. और कोई जगह भी नहीं है रखने की.
Haha, legit. I kept it. Arey, don't fall again. Struggle for bottle. Yes, Deepam. Deepam, come on.
Yeah, bro.
Look at him stroking her.
Yeah, bro. You are on cam.
Arey, oh. Hi, buddy. How are you?
I'll do. Yeah. Let's go.
Hi buddy, how are you?
How do you find this cameraman? This is great cameraman, right?
Yeah, this guy also.
This guy.
You can take my video.
This is
Thank you
Bojack.
so much.
Meet Bojack, everyone, guys. Bojack, the horseman.
Please.
You might know her.
Recording, I believe so. It's on.
She's pretty
Right?
happy and she's
Yup.
really nice.
Yeah.
Acha, now Yash wants to play with Bojack.
Let's see tomatoes. They are wormy post.
Yes.
Yup. His name is Bojack.
Arey,
Hi,
it literally
Bojack.
looks like Bojack, not gonna lie.
That covers our content.
Let's go there.
Where's that? Oh,
There,
there's a
there.
gate open here. Let's see where this gate goes.
Yeah, so we did go there, but turns out it was something that you should not see, so it's not gonna get added in the vlog.
What do you think my content is here?
Again, one more bye, man.
Deepam just decided to take my gorilla pod and he's the new YouTuber. He feels powerful.
Yeah.
I'm at the top of the wall.
Arey, so we already broke a rule. We already we broke this rule. No. For the vlog, we already broke this, guys. We went through this whole thing. We met Bojack and all. Bojack's family. Now, it's time to meet my cousin from Dubai.
Hey, this guy also.
If I sit over him, will he make me fall or like what?
Dude, his one kick will end your life.
Yes, you know that.
Not just my life, my whole generation's life.
उधर नहीं मारेगा, but फिर भी मारेगा.
I won't go
So
near
that's how the whole generation will die, right?
until there's someone supervised. I won't go there. But anyways, guys, that ends the vlog. Arey, it was nice.
Yo, custard apple.
Arey, this is for the vlog. We just went. We met Bojack and all.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, the horse's name is Bojack.
He named horses Bojack.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to the second part of the vlog. We are about to go for a night trek and our life is being risked because turns out we are the first people doing this trek and we got the homie back. We're doing this trek for the first time and these people are...
Guys, koi to pani la lo.
Let's go. Okay, we are in. It's time to find the white sari lady.
Which one?
The white sari lady.
Okay, we have to find two then.
Let's... Dude, it's so dark, there's no point in vlogging. I feel like I'm in a video game.
That's the game, that's the
All my camera's capturing is Ajna lens in front of.
Bro, now you guys are freaking me out.
Well, nothing interesting happened on the way to the top, just a bunch of people screaming, so there wasn't anything to record. So I'll just simply time lapse my whole journey to the top, which was around 10 minutes, I guess. And yeah, enjoy the view at the top, which is technically darkness, but yeah, enjoy.
Okay, so we made it at the top and we can't switch on the flash, but hopefully you can see a bonfire and that person is going to be acting out because we're playing Dum Sharaz. Pretty mellow. Arey. What's up, guys? So we're finally leaving the place and should be pretty. Arey, Ajna Lens represent, guys. Ajna Lens represent. Arey, that was a close one.
Capture some textures.
What? Arey, Unreal Engine, Quicksilver Bridge.
I'm walking in Unreal Engine.
Arey, level 2. This is NFT environment creator.
Just talking about a course I'm making, shout out the course, link in description, guys, check it out.
Where? What's up, guys? We found a Bichu aka Scorpion.
Scorpio.
He's looking pretty thick. Woo.
Scorpio is saying like and subscribe.
Woo. Nice. We finally saw something at the end of my journey. I'm pretty happy. I'm pretty happy now.
What was that?
Scorpion.
Bichu.
Scorpion. guys, so with this I come to an end of this camping trip. It was a blast, but now it's time to get back to the real world. So I'll update you about the journey, but yeah, this is the wonderful place. And I did forget about the most important thing, which is room tour. And it would be my room, but all of our rooms are pretty much the same. So here's the room tour for this room. Arey, move guys, wait, I need to take room tour. One last thing.
Okay, bro.
5-second room tour. So this is the entrance. This is his house.
Yeah.
And his house as well. This is a bunch of seats. It is made out of real stone. If you fall on this, you'll die for sure. That is someone's guitar. This is the stairs to climb up to that room. I'll jump to give you a look. You got it. Next, this is the wonderful toilet. Pray that no one's inside. This is the shower. Very shady. This is the basin. It looks. Comment down below what you think that pipe looks like. And sorry, the tap, not pipe. And that is your toilet with the stairs. And you get a towel, complimentary. And of course, there is AC. So we pretty much camped in style. But yeah, that is pretty much it for the room tour. Peace. I honestly forgot about shooting the starting of this whole vlog. So fun fact, we're going to shoot the starting of the vlog at the end of the vlog. Yeah. And I'll be shooting it in reverse and then using reverse to get it backwards, with somewhat will get it front, if that makes sense to any of y'all. What's up guys? So we are opening a gift box. Let's see what's in the box. Tabe. What's in the box? Another box. Abe. What's in this box? Abe. Arey. Flip. Oh.
Sticky notes.
Oof. Arey, so many. Is it empty? Abe. I guess they had extra paper, so they just gave it to us. Abe.
लिस्ट बनाने काम आएगा
इतना लिस्ट कौन बनाएगा
अबे अरे you can't
ये परेशान हो गया गिफ्ट लेके